Today I'm going to show you how to replace your filter on a Genesis Air RGS. First, what you want to do is remove the filter grill. Twist these knobs. There's two of them, and they will open the filter grill, giving you access to the filter. This is a 12 by 24 by 4 air filter. It's a MERV 13. You can acquire these from Genesis Air or from your local HVAC supply store. When replacing the filter, check the direction of airflow that's listed on the outer casing of the filter, and be sure that that arrow is pointed inward to match the flow in your air filter. Your new air filter, be sure that the direction of airflow points inward. Press it in snug and close your filter grill and tighten these screws. That's how you replace your air filter.